Okay, so on the first problem, I see a decimal. So you could write more than likely your answer is going to be maybe a decimal. Okay, so if it's given to you in decimal form, I always say write your answer in decimal form. Okay, this one is set up the way you want it to. You have a variable already by itself in one of the equations, so you're going to take this and you're going to substitute it in for y. Alright, so it would be x plus 3 times 5x plus 2 equals 9.2. Alright, and then make sure that you solve for x, and then substitute and give me y. Alright, number 2, you don't have a variable all by itself, but you do have all of these variables with a 1 coefficient or a negative 1 coefficient. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this negative, and I'm going to say I'm going to add y over here. And so I have x equals 12 plus y. Okay? And then I'm going to use this one to substitute in for my x. Does that make sense? I solved for x here. I got rid of a negative because I don't like to work with negatives. And then I substituted. And so I can say 12 plus y equals 3. Okay, 12 plus y is right here, what I substituted, and then I just dropped this plus y, and then that 3. Alright, you're ready to solve. Alright, on number 3, you could solve for any one of these variables. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, I'm just going to go out on a limb and say I'm going to take this 2x and I'm going to subtract that one over. And so my replacement would be 3 minus 2x. Okay, so I'm going to take that and substitute it right there. So I have x plus 3 minus 2x equals 5. Okay, number 4 is set up for you. Okay, you already have a equation that has a variable solved by itself. Alright, backside. Alright, so on this one, this stands out to me. This negative 5 because you have a coefficient of 1 here, so I'm going to add 5x and that's going to become my replacement. Alright, I'm going to leave the rest up to you guys. Okay? This one, say maybe subtract a 3x over here because you're looking for an equation where you have a coefficient of 1. Okay, what do you do on number 7? This is what we talked about yesterday. Set them equal to each other. Alright, so this right here equals the second one. Okay, and then I'll let you guys do number 8.